Hi, it's me, ZF02 the British tech guru. In a change to my normal video, I'm filming with that rather disgusting Temu camera, which it's supposed to be 1080p, and I'm recording in 1080p. It is rubbish. The exposure is a little bit iffy, and to be quite frank, the camera is not doing too well. And I'm pretty sure the exposure might be better with the sun shining on me than it was with the sun behind me. But if you notice, there's this massive lag between the video and the audio, and it gets up to about 10-20 seconds of lag over about a 5-minute video. What it's doing, I have no idea. The little blue light is flashing at me, and no wonder Temu wouldn't give me a refund for this. It's a piece of crap. They would not want this back, and they probably couldn't sell it. But if you ever see a camera like that, it was sold as a body cam on Temu. If you see one of those, don't buy it. Bloody well run away. It's a scam. It's a total scam. And Temu is about as honest as most of the inmates in the local county jail. Temu is even scammier than eBay. And that's saying something. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. And now we're going to wait while the darn thing finishes recording my voice. We're still waiting. Yep. Okay, it should have finished by now. Right.